Good evening, everyone. My name is Currie. You may know me from Them's Remnants, or you may know me from the Alfred State Paranormal Investigation and Urban Exploration Club, which was at Alfred State. It's going to pick up next semester if everything goes well, with the unforeseen circumstances, which is COVID-19, or Corona as everybody knows it. So I've had plenty of experiences, including some personal experiences with spirits over my many travels where I've gone to places that include Hinsdale, New York, the Hinsdale Haunted House, the Dandy Haunted House, um, the Van Horn Mansion in Newfane, New York, or Burt, New York. Um, I've worked with many other investigators. I actually was part of the first ever that I know of paranormal club, um, college paranormal club collaborations between Alfred State Paranormal Investigation and Urban Exploration Club and then the Dye Paranormal Club. So, with all this information all this knowledge that I've built up, I'd like to pass on some of my knowledge to you. I'd like to teach you how to get into paranormal, um, some basics about the paranormal, some tools that we use and how to use them, and how to protect yourself, among other things. The collection of these videos I'm going to call Basics of Paranormal Investigations with J.D. Currie, which is me. So everyone has a reason to get into the paranormal. Some people grew up in a haunted house like Katrina Weidman, if you have stayed up to date, or if you watched television shows about the paranormal, or had a parent that was into it, which is the reason why I originally got into paranormal investigation. Or you found literature or a television show that you became interested in, and then you just started to develop an interest in it and found yourself in the paranormal. So everyone has a reason to investigate the paranormal also. So some people do it to follow an interest in the paranormal, which is the most basic reason for investigating, but others, like myself, try to help the spirits in our world to move on, tell their story, and just find rest. Others do it for photography or videography reason, just to gain popularity or to show that they are artistic and have this special interest in the arts. And some will do it for an adrenaline rush because you're out of your element and you're interacting with something that you cannot see. So you may be asking where this idea of paranormal investigations originally came from. And that comes from the idea that people are born naturally wondering if there's another world or if there's ghosts that live among us. Examples of cultures that would live with these natural born beliefs. Well, recently most known are like the voodoo, which is a type of witchcraft, but it's more of the culture of the people of Louisiana. Um, the first recorded organization, and I can talk more about this in a later episode or video, but is Charles Dickens. He originally had a ghost club, which is the first organization that was documented. It was originally in London. It was actually featured in the Assassin's Creed Syndicate game, and one of the main reasons why that's one of my favorite video games. So where can you find the paranormal? where can you watch it? So I'm going to give two examples for each. On the TV, just regular TV, mostly Travel Channel, there's shows like Portals to Hell, which is with Katrina Wyman, and Jack Osborne, which is Ozzy Osbourne's son. And then there's Ghost of Shepherdstown with Nick Groff, not Katrina, Elizabeth Saint, and I forgot the other guy's name. And there's also Video Space, which is like a Disney, well, it's a streaming service like Disney Plus, ESPN Plus, and stuff like that. It's got, well, I'm not sure how many of you would know about these, but within these walls, which is done by Dan Cleus, which is the owner of the Hinsdale House, and Haunted Finders. Haunted Finders looks like a pretty entertaining show. So this is about what, where, and why paranormal is. So I will be doing weekly videos where I will talk about all the many different parts of the paranormal and help you to understand it, help you to become a better investigator, or help you start out in the paranormal investigation field. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a like. If you have any questions, put it in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer it. Like, subscribe, and share. See you guys soon.